What? Oh, what? Is that a Hellcat swap? That's sick. That's phenomenal.
I'm gonna say the steering shaft has to go through the headers.
Yeah. So how does this work? Like, I guess it's really kind of wired in because there's no, it's just motor, right?
There's gotta be someone out there that's understanding
how it all connects, right? Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad you clarified that because the last time you were here,
that's a Hellephant.
It's a Hellephant?
It's a Hellephant.
No way. Oh, it is. Damn. I thought it was a Hellcat swap, but it's a Hellephant. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. But were you saying the drive shaft goes through where?
The steering shaft actually has to go through the headers. So.
That's crazy.
There's no easy.
Yeah, he had to bend the header.
Custom. That's real custom right there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
That is crazy.